Why are you doing this? Let's just take him to the police. Then we can go home.
Selena Kyle.
Well, hello there.
You're fired.
Well, hello there, and welcome back to a very exciting episode of Corbin Does Something. That's right, I have a special treat for you. We have in here a sealed box, and I hope it's for me. Yeah, it looks like it's for me. Let's pop this baby open. We have the Wyze Lock built-in Bluetooth smart-enabled lock gateway bundle. This was $109 on Micro Center's website. The regular price right through Wyze is about $130. Same with Amazon. I have no idea if it will be that price when this video comes out. So let's go ahead, crack into this. Now, I also got the keypad here. When I ordered it, it was $20, and I think it shows $24.99 on here, but it was $20 online. Regular price is $25 through all the other sites. So let's go ahead, break into this. This thing here replaces your lock on the inside, so you don't have to completely get rid of your key or anything. They have another model that's cheaper that does a fingerprint reader and has a keypad built into it, but that does not allow me to put a key into it, and I want a key just in case something goes wrong. So this is the hub. You plug this in near, which is, I'll probably put it behind the refrigerator, honestly. And then here is this thing. This is massive.
That's what she said.
So essentially, this just goes right over where your deadbolt goes. And here's this thing. This helps adjust it to the right spot. And these are your screws and some stuff. And hey, look, they give you a tool. So basically this comes apart somehow or something. I don't know. Where's the instructions? Quick start guide. Ah, there's a little thing here. This comes off, and then you slide these in.
That's what she said.
Connected. So we'll go ahead and put this on the door. Okay, so batteries can't be in it. A boom. Alright. Close the door and manually lock. Okay. What is unlocked now? Close the door. Manually lock. Next. And unlock. close the door, manually lock. Next. It's locked. So as long as the door's shut all the way, which I gotta give it a little bit more wiggle room here, but it should be good. Okay, alright, well that was set up. Go ahead, get into this keypad. A little mounting bracket, that's kind of cool. Now one thing I do have a problem with is this is a lot bulkier than I thought. And honestly, it looks so cheap. Okay, so I've had this installed for about a month, right? I lock it, and then sometimes 10-15 minutes later, I'll get an alert that it's jammed, and it's unlocked. But it's not jammed. It works perfectly fine. I don't understand it. I went ahead and mounted this. This works perfectly fine. This is great. See? Lock. Works fine. It works. Now the question is, would I buy this again? That? Nope. It's got too many problems. So whenever I try to lock it, I have a 50% chance of it staying locked. Do I want that? No, I want a 100% chance. I don't know why, but I get these alerts that the lock jammed after it's locked. So I give it a 4 out of 10. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and, you like me up.